Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into love and loss, dealing with breakups and moving on. Let's jump right in. Love and loss are two sides of the same coin. While love brings joy, connection and warmth, loss introduces us to the depths of our emotions. Dealing with breakups can feel like navigating a storm, but remember, storms don't last forever. A breakup can shatter your world, leaving you with a mix of emotions, sadness, anger, confusion. It's important to acknowledge these feelings. Give yourself permission to grieve. It's okay to cry, to feel lost, to be vulnerable. Self-care is crucial during this time. Engage in activities that bring you peace. Journaling can help process your thoughts. Meditation can provide calm amidst chaos. Lean on your friends and family for support. Talking about your feelings can be incredibly healing. Rediscover your passions. Dive into hobbies that you love or try something new. This is a time to focus on you, to rebuild your identity outside of the relationship. Helping others can also be a powerful way to heal. Volunteer, get involved in your community. Acts of kindness can shift your focus and bring a sense of fulfillment. Gradually, you'll find yourself moving forward. Healing doesn't mean forgetting, but learning to live with the memories and finding joy in new experiences. Remember, breakups are not the end of your story. They are a chapter that leads to growth, resilience, and new beginnings. Embrace the journey of healing, and in time, you'll find yourself stronger, wiser, and ready to love again. Thank you for watching. If this video resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe. And always remember, after every storm, there's a beautiful sunrise waiting to greet you.